Good morning. It is my pleasure and my privilege to welcome you to the most exciting and educative part of your life. Did you notice that I said excitement and education in the same breath? I bet you didn't think of putting these two words together in one sentence. Education mostly means school, classroom, strict teachers, homework, and of course exams. Exciting means adventure, friends, new experiences, every day a new surprise. They don't usually go together, right? You're wrong. In the few minutes I spent with you this morning, let me let you know why these two words really belong together, why you will experience them together from now on, and why the biggest mistake anyone could make is to separate them. I will begin by warning you that college life is enormous fun. We make new friends, find new experiences, and almost daily have the joy of adventure and discovery. Every single day is so novel. Getting up is a delight. This kind of happiness will grow your mind, heart, and soul in many ways into making you a more complete person. Indeed, if you consider the true meaning and impact of an education, what you learn of people and situations and people in situations is really the bigger part of your education. But the more important thing is, this wonderful experience has a concluding point. And at the concluding point at which you get your degree, the fun, adventure, friends, and excitement is not what you will be tested on. Here's the sobering fact. Without the proper degree for which you came here in the first place, all this wonderful experience will be a waste. And here's the other sobering point. If you have had none of these experiences and you have in your hands a degree, that degree will be a piece of paper and these 3 years will be a waste. So the key to making the best of your time here is to be clear about the outcome. Both outcomes are in your hands and both must happen in divine balance. In the end, you will be tested on purely academic terms. You will be writing answer papers. You cannot talk of your pocket money in the economics paper. You cannot talk of your friends in the consumer behavior paper. And you cannot complain about how strict your parents are in your marketing paper. You will have to be answering from what you have read, understood, learned, and in some cases memorized from your textbooks. Speaking of outcomes, be clear about them. Are you going on a little picnic with your friends? Be clear that you will not just have to enjoy yourselves, but travel safely and return well. Make a deal with yourself. If the outcome is not to your profit, don't begin it. You will waste your resources, possibly harm yourself, and what could have been a great thing becomes a problem. Are you sitting in class? Listen, observe, participate, learn, study, do your assignments, and sometimes memorize. Be fastidious about your attendance. Log into Foursquare or Facebook Places or Google Maps and see which of you becomes the mayor of your campus. Our lives and our markets are moving into a digital platform. You start right now. Are your exams approaching? You must study. You must study and not moan, nor just keep looking at the books. So let me also teach you a trick. It is the most important trick you can learn. And if you apply it to all your life, you will be the richer for it. Use the excitement and joy of one thing to accomplish another. Make an adventure of your studies and study with your most fun pals. Play roles makes finishing homework and acing exams a great, holy, giant fun game with your friend circle. Give yourself academic goals, and the one who lags behind has to make the sandwiches and carry the bags at the next hike. Make them carry someone else too. Jokes aside, my intention today is not to paralyze you with a sermon. All I want to do is welcome you, promise you with the institution's full support in everything you do, and especially in making these coming years the kind of time that will enrich your memories for decades to come. Thank you. Welcome you all.